Hi guys, hello, vanakkam and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dhabaswin here. In this video, yes, I have faced an issue with my Athena and I'll be telling you guys what the issue is and what are the things I have done when I faced the issue, and I'll be telling you guys the quick solution, the temporary solution and also the exact solution for this issue. And I'm just making this video because when I actually faced this issue, the first thing I did was search it on Google and YouTube, but I didn't find any answers for this. So that's why I'm just making this video so that it will be useful for you guys. It's an informative video, and I was told that many other Xpulse BS6 users also face this same issue. So let's get into the video. So last Saturday, that is December 19, I just started my ride to Madurai at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. After 70 kilometers, I was starting to feel some symptoms. The symptom was like when we go at higher speed and downshift all of a sudden, we get a kind of a pull right, that kind of a feel. At first the feel was mild, so that's why I continued ahead. I was having that feel for 20 kilometers then and there, and at one point the bike just stopped, and I just looked at the cluster and the fuel indicator was blinking. So I just thought maybe the fuel was out, and then I searched on Google and found the nearest petrol bunk was 2 kilometers from that spot. And yes, I had a good morning workout. I just pushed the bike and reached the petrol bunk, filled the fuel and started again. But after 5 kilometers the bike stopped again. Luckily Athena stopped near a mechanic shop, so I just waited there. The time was 8 a.m. in the morning. I just contacted the mechanic bro. He told me like he'll be opening the shop at 9 a.m. So I just waited there. In the meantime, I contacted Bala bro, the service manager of Mona Motors Service Center, and I informed him about the issue, and he told me like some stuff to do. I did it, and then the bike started. I rode the bike for 500 meters and then it stopped again. So I just returned back to the mechanic shop, and I was waiting there. And Bala bro, he was guiding the mechanic bro. His name was Rajavel. After working on the bike for 4 hours, the bike started. The time was 2:30 when the bike started, and I just returned back to Chennai. So now I will tell you guys what happened on that day and what are all the things I have done. So now for the actual problem and the solutions. If you guys face the same issue, then try to find the nearest mechanic shop. If it's a Hero Service Center, then it's a lot better, because they could just plug in and check what's wrong with the bike. So that's why. Otherwise you could also dial up the RSA number, but don't know how good it is, because Bala bro contacted the service centers in Melvaruthur and Dindivanam. They told him like their technicians don't have proper knowledge on premium bikes, because they haven't worked on it. So that's why. And yes, I didn't tell you guys the location where I stopped, right? It was some 20 kilometers from Dindivanam. 20 kilometers from Dindivanam. I'll just put the mechanic shop location in the description. So now if you don't want to try the RSA or couldn't find a mechanic shop nearby, then do this. Switch off the engine, open the fuel cap, let the bike get cool down, let it be for rest for 15 minutes, and then start the bike. The bike would start. Then ride the bike till you reach the nearest mechanic shop, and if the bike stops again, then repeat the process, because that's the only thing you can do at that moment. So that's the quick solution, I would say. It's not the quick solution, something at that moment to use. Now for the temporary solution. After you reach the mechanic shop, actually what the mechanic bro did for me was like to find what the bug is. He just unplugged everything. the ECU wiring, the spark plug, battery, etc. He was just trying to figure out what was the error, and he was working on the bike for 4 hours trying to figure out what was wrong. And then just to try, he just plugged everything back again and did a reboot, and then the bike started and Athena was back to normal. I then just reached Chennai and visited the service center on Monday, and they just told me like that that's the temporary solution, like unplugging and plugging back everything and rebooting. That's the temporary solution. What you need to do after that is try not to get the bike overheated. That is, switch off the ignition and let the bike rest once in every 50 kilometers. So now the actual problem. The problem is with the starter coil, which is this. This is an electronic device. It senses some stuff, and when we ride for a longer time, this gets overheated. I was told by Bala bro that some readings on this coil should be between 150 to 250. In my case, it was at 253. After turning off the bike for 30 minutes, and finally we just found the root cause of the problem, and the solution for this is changing the whole starter coil, which costs around 2000 rupees, and it will be covered under a warranty because the bike was like 2.5 months old. So they just placed an order, and I was told I will be getting it by the end of this week. Today is Friday, Christmas Day. Let's see, there is still tomorrow. I'll be uploading this video on Sunday.
Hey guys, today's date is December 27th, Sunday. We're on the East Coast Road, and we're just going for a short breakfast ride, and that's my dad riding Achilles. And nope, the starter coil hasn't arrived yet, so I'm just trying my best to not overheat the bike. And a quick update guys, the bike is past 3000 kilometers now. Currently it's running at 3071 kilometers. So finally the running period is done. Hey guys, we finished our breakfast at Joanna's Cafe as usual, and we are heading back home, and on the way we just stopped here at an excavation site. This is a Murugan temple, an excavated Murugan temple. And so that's all for this video guys. I hope you guys found this video useful, and if you guys like this video, give a thumbs up, post your thoughts and questions if you have any in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. And finally, safety is the first priority, so always wear a helmet, and when you go on rides, try to wear proper riding gears. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next video. KD out and bye. Let me just try the off-road here and show you guys what's there. Okay, so this is the temple, the excavated temple. So I'll see you guys in the next video.